Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Sendit on Snapchat. First option, you can just start by paying $10 a month so that you can tap on who sent it and check who was that person. If you want to do it for free, first we need to make sure that the notifications is on. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, and then what you're gonna do next, scroll a little bit down till you find the notifications. Go ahead and click on it and scroll a little bit down and try to pin down Snapchat and make sure that you allow notifications in order for this to work out, and make sure everything is enabled in terms of notifications. And basically, after you get the notifications, you will be able to check your Snapchat story and you will see who was the person that used Sendit. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.